Hello, welcome to our next episode on low blood pressure. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue from managing of hypotension. Preventing and managing low blood pressure, hypotension, involves a combination of lifestyle changes, medical interventions, and adjustments based on the underlying cause of the condition. Here are effective strategies for preventing and managing low blood pressure. 1. Increase fluid intake. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps prevent dehydration, which can lead to low blood pressure by increasing blood volume. Electrolyte balance. Drinks with electrolytes, such as sports drinks or coconut water, can help maintain the body's fluid balance. 2. Eat small, frequent meals. Avoid large meals. Large meals can cause a sudden drop in blood pressure due to blood being redirected to the digestive system. Smaller meals throughout the day. Eating smaller meals can prevent postprandial hypotension, low blood pressure after eating. Salt intake. In some cases, increasing sodium intake, under medical guidance, can help raise blood pressure. 3. Avoid alcohol. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can cause dehydration and widen blood vessels, which may further lower blood pressure. Drink in moderation, or avoid alcohol if you experience symptoms of hypotension. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 4. Wear compression stockings. Improve circulation. Compression stockings or socks help reduce blood pooling in the legs and increase blood flow to the upper body, which can help prevent dizziness and fainting. 5. Change positions slowly. Prevent orthostatic hypotension. When moving from lying down to sitting or standing, do so slowly to give the body time to adjust and prevent a sudden drop in blood pressure. Avoid sudden standing. Sit or lie down if you feel lightheaded to reduce the risk of fainting. 6. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrient-rich foods. A diet rich in vitamins, especially B12 and folate, minerals, like potassium, and iron helps prevent anemia and supports overall cardiovascular health. Include lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These nutrients help maintain a healthy blood volume and circulation. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.